Creating the perfect animated timeline in Webflow is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, plan your timeline. Gather content by collecting the key events, milestones, or dates you want to feature in your timeline. Then structure the story by determining the best way to organize the events and how they relate to each other. Consider a linear, branching, or interactive format based on your narrative. After that, choose a layout. To select a layout that effectively visualizes your timeline and aligns with your website's design. It is horizontal and ideal for straightforward chronological sequences, or vertical, well suited for vertical scrolling experiences. Or it is interactive, like it allows users to explore events at their own pace. Now create timeline elements by using a combination of elements to build your timeline. Elements like divs create containers for each event or milestone, and lines connect events visually to create a cohesive flow. Or elements like the text to add clear labels for each event, providing context and details. Images and icons to enhance visual appeal and comprehension, or dates to indicate when events occurred for clarity. After that, to implement animations, you have to bring your timeline to life with subtle animations, like fade in or out to gradually reveal events or elements as the user scrolls or interacts, or like slide in or out to create a dynamic feel by sliding elements into view, and highlight to draw attention to specific events using hover effects or subtle scale animations. After that, customize styling by applying visual styling to match your brand and website aesthetic. Like colors, choose a color scheme that complements your brand and content. Or like typography, to select fonts that are both legible and visually appealing, and spacing to create visual balance and hierarchy through spacing and alignment. After that, to ensure responsiveness, you have to adapt your timeline to different screen sizes for optimal viewing experiences. Like, you can use relative units, percentages, or viewport units for sizing elements. Now, adjust the layouts and spacing for different breakpoints to test across multiple devices and browsers. Now test and refine to preview the timeline in Webflow's designer and test across different devices. Then, adjust the animations, styling, and responsiveness as needed to ensure a smooth and engaging experience. That's how you can create the perfect animated timeline in Webflow.